The 68oz small dehumidifier is an excellent solution for anyone looking to control humidity in smaller spaces like bedrooms, offices, bathrooms, or closets. With its compact design and impressive moisture capacity of 2,000 ml, this unit efficiently removes excess moisture from the air, helping to prevent mold, mildew, and musty odors while maintaining a healthier environment. Its size makes it easy to place discreetly in almost any room, yet it performs like a much larger unit, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or small homes where space and efficiency are key. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its quiet operation. Unlike some larger or older units that produce noticeable noise, this model runs smoothly and quietly, making it suitable for use in bedrooms or offices without disturbing sleep or work. The user-friendly design includes a clear water collection tank, allowing you to monitor moisture levels easily and know when it's time to empty the tank. The 68oz capacity ensures fewer interruptions for emptying, which is convenient for daily or continuous use. The unit is highly efficient, rapidly extracting moisture even in high-humidity environments. By reducing the moisture content in the air, it not only helps prevent structural damage and musty smells, but also makes your living space more comfortable and pleasant. It's particularly useful in areas prone to humidity fluctuations, such as basements or bathrooms, and it can help protect furniture, electronics, and clothing from dampness-related issues. Additionally, this dehumidifier is simple to operate and maintain. Most functions are intuitive, and the removable tank and accessible design make cleaning quick and hassle-free. Its energy-efficient performance ensures you get the benefits of moisture control without significantly impacting your electricity bill, combining convenience with practicality. Overall, the 68oz small dehumidifier is a reliable, compact, and efficient tool for improving indoor air quality and comfort. It's perfect for anyone who needs a practical, low-maintenance solution to manage excess humidity in smaller spaces. Whether you're looking to prevent mold growth, reduce allergens, or simply maintain a comfortable living environment, this dehumidifier offers one of the best combinations of portability, efficiency, and quiet operation for its size.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.